Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. Let's start off with our planner of the week. This planner comes from a post from our Facebook page, and I believe her name is pronounced Asina. I hope I pronounced it right. And she wrote, "Love watching your craft videos. Personality, you are so inspirational to me and my craft work. I appreciate you very much for helping me, giving me great ideas on my work." That excites me. I'm all about entrepreneurship. So, for those of you who are thinking about making this a career, you can absolutely do it. You can. And I will be more than happy to give you ideas. So, with that being said, let's go to this week's project. So, this week's request comes from one of our community members by the name of Mary. And Mary writes, "Hello, Miss Planet." Hi, Mary. "I just love your channel and I will be getting married in November. Congratulations." And my first thought was, I will be doing these centerpieces myself. But where do I start? And she has like 4 exclamation points and question marks. My colors are navy, blush, and gray. Oh, Miss Planet, please help me. Absolutely, Mary. It's my absolute pleasure to help you create this wonderful garden hoop chandelier centerpiece. You're not going to believe how easy and inexpensive it is. So with that being said, let's get started with this week's project, Garden Hoop Chandelier. Let's go. You know, we always like to give you options, so if you don't like your floral wire showing at the top of your hoop, you can simply cover it with some greenery, in this case, eucalyptus stems, a big rose, and some baby tea roses. We just like to give you options. Well, Mary, how did we do? I hope you love it as much as I do. It came out absolutely gorgeous. I love the touch of color and the blush soft roses, as well as all the lush greenery. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget, if we can help you out with the project, you can reach us two ways. You can go right on down to the description and click on the project request link, or you can head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the easy steps. Also located in the description, if you just click on that little upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, you will find the links to all the project supplies as well as the project cost, all there at your fingertips. In addition to that, we have our link to our Ebates. Ebates is an awesome place where you can earn money while you spend money. It's fantastic, so check it out. You can also find a link to our newsletter so you can get our awesome blogs, learning more than you could just from this YouTube channel. We have so much information to share with you, but we just can't do it all on YouTube. So go on down in the description and look at all of the wonderful things we have for you. If you haven't checked out our website, oh, you got to. It's amazing. It's MissPlanIt.com, and we have so much there for you. You can kind of just get a little lost on our website, actually, just looking at everything. Just cool stuff, so check it out. In addition to that, if you would like to support us, you can become a Patreon, where on Patreon, you get to hang out with Miss Planet a little bit longer and get unseen videos that are not on YouTube just for our Patreon members. As a matter of fact, this week we did a fresh flower bouquet from beginning to end, and it was all under $35. So if you'd like to become a Patreon, head on over to patreon.com/MissPlanIt and check it out. We would love for you to support us and just to continue our journey with you. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this time. We so enjoyed it. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we are so grateful that you chose to spend this time with us. So until next week, take care. See you soon. God bless.